Hi everyone. If you read medical blogs or clinical case breakdowns online, you usually just see static screenshots of a CT or MRI. The author has to draw red arrows to point out the pathology, place multiple scans pictures, because you cannot scroll through the slices. Today, I want to show you my absolute favorite feature of dicom-viewer.online. I'm going to show you how to embed a fully interactive scan directly into your website or blog. First, open the site and select In-Account Storage. Let's open this Brain CT. I will open this specific series and scroll right to the exact slice I want my readers to see first. By default, everything you upload is totally private, but since I want to put this in an article, I will go to the project settings and explicitly make this project public, so it's accessible via a link. Now I just go to the project menu, click Share, go to Integration and copy this short iframe HTML code. Now let's jump over to my blog. I'm using WordPress here, but this works exactly in the same in Notion, Webflow and any other platform that supports HTML. I'm writing my post and I just add a custom HTML block here and paste the code I just copied. That's literally all the coding required. Let's look at the published article. Look at this, it's not a screenshot anymore, it's the full viewer running right inside the web page. The readers can scroll through the slices themselves, change window levels and explore the anatomy, all without leaving my article. If you run an educational medical site, a radiology portfolio or teach students, this completely changes how you share cases online. Try embedding a scan on your site today. The link to the viewer is below. Let me know how it looks.